Go home happy with the 2019 Cadillac XT5. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Control the ride in comfort, safety, and sophisticated refinement in the XT5 crossover. Its smart technology, innovative design, and understated premium styling defy convention. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, seat memory. You deserve an automobile that will turn heads. Test drive the XT5 crossover.